4th of July fast approaching, I can think of nothing more patriotic than celebrating our American heroes, and by that I mean Miguel O'Hara. Have I watched Across the Spider-Verse yet? No. But do I know a snack when I see one? Absolutely. This man has taken the world by storm, so of course what better than to capitalize? Break down the very intricate and symbolic structure of Miguel so you can draw hotties like him whenever you want. First, of course, draw the face of your hot guy. If you need help with that, please refer to my Anime Boy tutorial. It's a lifesaver. By the way, if you use Clip Studio Paint, you should go download my brushes in the description. If you don't have Clip Studio, then this is your sign to switch from whatever trash art program you're using. Let's continue with our hot bod. Draw a kite for the body. Add 2 balls on each side of the points for the shoulders and a line at the bottom point. Then draw the hips and pants because we don't want to get demonetized. Now draw his arms. I always break down arms into almond shapes. When in doubt, use food to help with your anatomy. Draw the hands off screen, of course, where nobody can watch you, because who wants to see that? I'm only doing this because I want to keep a hand tutorial for later, not because of any other reason. Now draw Miguel's double Ds. Abs are basically these softened rectangle shapes, so following the guideline, just draw them in. Now lower the opacity and draw over this sketch layer with clean line art. I'm just making a few adjustments and adding detail where I missed. Fill in the base colors after. Okay, now we've filled in our base colors and our canvas is primed for painting. For the shading, we're going to keep it really minimal because it's going to carry the definition for us. Airbrush core hues to the skin, like red, gold, and blue. Add a new layer and set it to multiply. Select a red-brown color and start shading. We'll turn down the opacity later, so don't freak out. Shade around the abs and right under and between the boobas. Blend it out and soft erase any areas that look too sharp. We don't want those washboard webtoon abs. Or do we? For the arms, follow the almond shape and blend out. And you're done. Or are you? I always see people doing tutorials and drawing bodies, faces, and hands, whatever it is, from the front and the front only. Let's change that and do a quick side profile too. If you need help with that, you can watch my tutorial. Now from the side, the kite guideline for the body still applies. Draw 2 tilted lines for the chest and back. Then draw the arm. Now turn down the opacity and make a line art layer above. Following the vague shape of the guideline, draw in the details. Keep in mind that from the side, the details will be more 3D than from the front. Draw a wide and flattish plane for the chest with a little drop off and doodle some speed bumps for the abs. Slap down your base colors and start shading. Again, you just want to focus on painting the shading around the muscles and making sure not to make it too defined. After all is said and done, don't forget to cover everything up by drawing over it. After all, we don't want people thinking we're thirsty. And just like that, ta-da, you're done drawing Miguel. Please like and subscribe as it helps me out a lot, and thank you to everybody who has subscribed so far and keep coming back to watch my videos. You are all beyond cool. Catch you later.